2025 Tesla Model 3 Preview. What to expect? While Tesla doesn't follow traditional model years like other automakers, the all-electric brand introduced an updated Model 3 for 2024. With the 2024 Model 3 gaining a large update, we expect the upcoming 2025 Model 3 to be a carryover vehicle. Tesla, though, could make a mid-year change. Here's what we know about the upcoming 2025 Tesla Model 3. The exterior design of the 2025 Tesla Model 3 should remain the same as the current model that's on sale. The Model 3 features a streamlined design with triangular headlights, a deep cutout in the front bumper, a slim front air intake, and prominent body lines on the hood and front fenders. The rear end of the Model 3 has C-shaped tail lights, a small built-in rear spoiler, and a simple rear bumper. On the inside, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 features the automaker's modern, yet minimalist design. The tiered dashboard has simple lines with an enormous central touchscreen dominating the dash. The Model 3 also has a vertically oriented wireless charging pad on the front console, a multi-function steering wheel, and smooth edges. The only physical controls in the Model 3 are found on the steering wheel, creating a high-tech look. When it comes to tech features, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 is expected to come with a 15.4-inch touchscreen and an 8-inch rear touchscreen. Other standard features should include Bluetooth, a wireless charging pad, a Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, 4 USB ports, an HD radio, and a 9-speaker audio system. Available features should include satellite view maps, a 17-speaker audio system, an internet browser, music streaming, a karaoke mode, and live traffic. 2025 Tesla Model 3 engine and specs. The current Tesla Model 3 is available with two different powertrains, which we expect to go unchanged for the 2025 model year. The base Model 3 comes with a single electric motor on the rear wheels, while the available long-range trim has two electric motors and all-wheel drive. Tesla doesn't provide horsepower ratings for its vehicles, but the base Model 3 can get to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds and the Model 3 long range can complete the sprint in 4.2 seconds. Tesla doesn't provide figures on its battery packs, either. The base Model 3 can travel up to 272 miles with the 18-inch wheels. The available Model 3 long range has 341 miles with the 18-inch wheels. These figures should remain unchanged for 2025. 2025 Tesla Model 3 Safety. Standard safety features with the 2025 Tesla Model 3 should include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, a surround view parking camera, parking sensors, and blind spot monitoring. The compact electric sedan should be available with auto steer on city streets, enhanced autopilot, smart summon, auto park, automatic lane change, and autopilot navigation, along with traffic light and stop sign control. 2025 Tesla Model 3 Price. Pricing for the 2025 Tesla Model 3 hasn't been announced yet. The current Model 3's price ranges from $41,380 to $49,380. Tesla changes pricing for its vehicles sporadically, so we could see prices increase or decrease. Other competitors in the all-electric sedan segment include the Hyundai Ioniq 6, BMW i4, Polestar 2, and Mercedes EQE sedan. 2025 Tesla Model 3 Release Date. Based on the release date of the 2024 Tesla Model 3, the 2025 model could go on sale as early as next spring. More information on the electric car should become available within the next few months.
you.